Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through one of the most important concepts for anyone getting started with Power BI, creating and managing relationships between your tables. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to connect your data in a meaningful way, so you can build powerful reports and dashboards that actually make sense of your business info. Let's dive right in and make sure those tables start talking to each other. Now, if you've loaded more than one table into your Power BI workspace, you might have noticed something interesting. Power BI tries to help you by automatically making some relationships between those tables. That's handy, but it's crucial that you know exactly what those relationships mean and when you might need to adjust or manage them yourself. So in our example, we've got three tables in our workspace: sales, customers, and products. At first glance, they might just look like lists of data, but they actually serve very different roles. Let's break that down. Our sales table is what we call a fact table. Think of this as the table that holds all the action. It's basically a logbook of every transaction your business has ever made. Every time something is sold, that record lands in the sales table. We're talking details like who bought what, when they bought it, and for how much. It's all about the numbers and measures. The other two tables, customers and products, are called dimension tables. These are a bit like the characters and props in our story. The customers table is full of the descriptive details about each customer, so their names, regions, maybe even contact info. The products table gives us information about what's actually being sold, like the product name, category, and other attributes. Rather than numbers, these tables are about categories and filters. They help us slice and dice our data. So to put it simply, the fact table is where the action happens. The dimension tables describe the actors and items involved. Alright, let's take a look at how these tables connect in Power BI's model view. This is the relationship diagram, and honestly, it's one of the best tools for visualizing how everything fits together. Here, what's going on? In the sales table, you have columns like customer ID and product ID, and these serve as the links. Sales customer ID connects to customer ID, and sales product ID links up with product ID. These are many-to-one relationships, and let me explain why. With each sale, it always belongs to a single customer, but a customer can, of course, make many sales over time. Same logic with products. Each sale is connected to one product, but any product could appear in many sales lines. That's why you'll see those one-to-many lines in the diagram, pointing from customers to sales and from products to sales. That star shape you're seeing in the diagram is actually called a star schema. Your fact table is at the center, surrounded by dimension tables. Now, why does this matter? Well, relationships are powerful in Power BI because they unlock cross-table analysis. Suddenly, you can build a chart showing sales amount by region, even though region isn't in the sales table at all, but rather in customers. Or visualize sales amount by product category, with category coming from products. Relationships mean you can filter your sales numbers by any customer or product attribute, and your calculations will still work correctly. If those relationships weren't there, your charts would be either blank, wrong, or just completely disconnected. Here's a quick phrase I like to use in training. The fact table stores the transactions. The dimension tables describe the transactions. Relationships connect the keys so Power BI knows how to filter across tables. That's the secret sauce to getting your reports to answer the real questions. Alright, that's a wrap on the essentials of creating and managing relationships in Power BI. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more on this topic. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more Power BI tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.